these Muslims in Gaza, to them, they feel that they are equal, or they feel a connection, not equal, sorry, they feel a connection to the prophets and messengers. The prophets and messengers, every single one of them went through hardships. For example, the hunger that they went through for days and weeks cannot be described. And when we look at Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they know. We find Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Umar ibn Khattab describes him one time. He says, I saw him walking with a bent back and sitting under the shade out of exhaustion, while I saw that on his stomach it looked like it was stuck to his back at one time, and he had rocks tied to it out of hunger. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best man to walk the earth. And these people, they find themselves hungry and associate it with the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all the prophets.